action-packed Hogan's Alley and high-flying Kung Fu, each sold separately. Will you be the one to experience the Nintendo Entertainment System? Comes with Rob, Zapper, Control Deck, 2 controllers, Gyromite, and Duck Hunt.
When you get hold of the Nintendo Entertainment System, when you master Rob the video robot, and meet the challenge of Gyromite, when you shoot the light-sensing Zapper, when you play the system with so many arcade hits, you're playing with power. The Nintendo Entertainment System Deluxe Set. Batteries not included. Super Mario Brothers and other games sold separately.
Mario! Mario! Mario!
Super Mario. 1, 2, and 3. There's power in numbers. Nintendo. Now you're playing with power. Each game sold separately.
The Power Glove for your Nintendo Entertainment System. Now you and the games are one. Everything else is child's play.
Ultra's improved your favorite arcade game. First, we added 2 new levels, then packed it with bigger, stronger enemies, and a ton of extra foot soldiers. Next, we punched up the action with knockout new attack moves and crime-fighting scenes like the Ninja Castle. If that doesn't swell your shell, we made one more small adjustment. Introducing the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles arcade game, today's biggest hit. For your NES. Free personal pan pizza coupon from Pizza Hut.
What's it like to play the Nintendo Entertainment System? The Nintendo Entertainment System. Now, playing with power.
Watch out for the guy. Right.
The boy, where is he?
Okay, here we go. Down to the dance floor. Mom, ever heard of
Star Wars, a force stronger than your parents doesn't want.
Mario! Mario!
Croeso i'r stream. Heddiw byddwn ni'n parhau gyda Day of the Tentacle. A gaf fi just cael yr audio fyny. So ni lan at 33%. Nawr, felly nawn ni weld os ni'n gallu gwella ar hynny. Wel, ni'n bound o gwella ar hynny. Felly, mae rhywbeth fi wedi darganfod. Mae can waith y gêm yma lle chi'n gallu rannu eitemau rhwng amseroedd gwahanol sydd yn handi iawn. A dyna pam fi wedi bod bach ar goll yn mynd nôl ymlaen. Ond bach o ymchwil, dyna'r ffordd o cywir o wneud chwarae'r gêm. So, ni'n mynd i'r lle, mae'r 3T bach thing, Chrono John thing yma. So os fi'n cael rai o'r pethau fyny.
Okay, I flushed it.
Fi'n siŵr ti'n rhoi y stuff. Falle a llythyr. Yn quite yn siŵr am y llythyr.
You're brilliant. What a novel design. Come to Baltimore at once.
Right. So dwi angen...
Hold it.
Fi angen i fi mynd tu allan yn tu bach.
I'm taking you back to the camp.
Achos, un o'r pethau
I
sydd
wish I
angen...
had some sort of tentacle disguise.
Dyna sydd angen arni hi. Felly, ffordd ni'n neud hwnna, whoops, yw trwy... Rhaid bach yn agosach. Yw trwy...
You-hoo, Mr. Tentacle Guy.
What?
Yeah, tu
I
bach.
have to go to the bathroom.
Oh, all right. Come on, let's take a walk.
Walk.
Okay, human, do your business.
Right, felly mynd i'r lle mae'r holl, lle mae'r tŷ bach, neu'r Chrono John, fel mae'n dweud. Dwi'n gallu... Na, fi angen rhoi... Scalpel. Nawr, os dwi'n mynd nôl I fe, fi'n pigo scalpel. Fi ddim eisiau'r scalpel, mae fe angen y scalpel. So ni'n mynd nôl fan hyn nawr i'r un lle. Ble mae e? Fan hyn? O na, yn y basement mae'r thing fe. Ah! Hei, shwmai Emrys. Byddai gyda sefyllfa lot fwy llyfn heddiw achos fi di... mae mecanwaith y gêm yma yw bod nhw'n gallu rannu gwrthrychau dros rhwng y 3 amser gwahanol. So, fi ddim wedi bod yn neud hwnna. So dyna pam o'n i ond wedi wneud 300 ddoe, neu ddim ddoe, tro diwethaf. Sut mae'r hwyl anyway, Emrys? Nes I wir joio'r sesiwn Worms ddoe. Fi'n caru, neud y sesiynau yna. Clear sailing heddiw, Yep, dyna famous last words, dyna fe nhw'n dweud o fe, So nawr mae dy fi scalpel. Gallai defnyddio'r...
I'd probably cut myself.
Beep! Okay, anyway. So ni'n mynd nôl fan hyn. Os dwi'n cael nhw gyd ar bwys y Chrono John, o leia, dwi'n gallu swapio nhw draw. So nawr...
There's nothing to get.
Yn odd. So rhoi hwn fan hyn. Swapio fe I fe. Pigo fyny'r siart. Mynd nôl I person sy'n gwneud flag.
Are you sure we don't need to add anything about hideous, slimy, super intelligent tentacles?
Don't be absurd.
clear sailing. Ni'n mynd fyny fan hyn, fyny'r grisiau, i'r fenyw sydd yn creu'r flags, nid fan hyn. O fan hyn falle? Un o'r rhain, dyna ni. So, ni'n rhoi'r siart fanna sy'n troi'r fflag Americanaidd yn thing odd, costume. So nawr mae dynnu'r gwisg yna. Ni'n gallu mynd fyny. Yakuza 7 allan fory, felly paratoi mentally ar gyfer hwnnw. Dwi heddiw yn gwaith lol. Fan fawr o cyfres Yakuza, felly reit buzzed amdano fe. Yeah, fi'n cofio un o fideos cynnar ti ar YouTube ar chwarae games o ti'n siarad am y cyfres Yakuza. A falle oedd ti byn bach, o neu, efe Shenmue, o fi ddim yn gwybod. Un o nhw, fi'n cofio ti'n neud bach o playthrough a neu review amdano fe, oedd yn really cool. Fi ddim
Mr. Tentacle Guy.
Fi ddim really di neud lot gyda'r cyfres yna. Fi ddim wedi chwarae nhw lot. Right, so os dwi'n mynd i'r meddyg.
I don't feel so good.
Again?
Wedyn yn fan hyn. Just cofio nawr ble dwi'n mynd drws yma. Mynd fyny at to. Nawr dwi'n gallu... dwi'n methu. Dwi angen y crank. Damn. Mae hwnna mor rwystredig, fi ddim gyda'r crank. Fi rhaid fi mynd nôl nawr. Mynd tu allan. Right. Pwy sydd? Mae fe sydd dy'r crank. Mae wedi rhoi nôl ar y to. Oh well. O leia mae'r logic yna nawr. A so ni jyst yn cerdded o gwmpas gyda ddim clem beth i wneud. Yakuza, beth yw'r... Oedd hwnna wedi selio ar... A Shenmue wedi selio ar fighting game penodol, oedd e? Oedd e Virtua Fighter neu un o'r fighting games Sega. Mae'r gyfres yn time sinks, ond mae aesthetic y gyfres yn gymaint o hook i fi. Mae'n eitha specific ydy e. Gallai dychmygu, ti'n fan mawr o fel y steil Japaneaidd, y steil yna o pethau. Mae'n unigryw. Right, dwi'n mynd ar y to nawr. Fi methu ffordd yma ddo.
Did you say you have a PP-41 facilities paraphernalia operation over there?
Dwi'n mynd fyny'r lle tân. Come on. Yeah. Trwy fyna. Okay. Am fan hyn. A dyna ni. Mae gyda ni'r crank. Cymryd y crank. Mynd nôl i'r basement. A rhoi i'r merch. Felly, os dwi'n rhoi'r crank nawr yn y toilet, a nawr Swapio nôl i'r ferch. A fi angen mynd nôl i'r tŷ bach, so bydd rhaid I fi mynd mewn fan hyn.
Hey, how'd you get out?
Gofyn I mynd i'r tŷ bach.
Get back in there.
Okay.
Mock my authority, will you?
Hwy. Right.
Yoo-hoo, Mr. Tentacle Guy.
What?
Right.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Oh, all right. Come on, let's take a walk. Okay, human, do your business.
Right, nôl â ni i'r Chronojon. Pigo fyny y cranc. Pan fi'n dweud cranc, fi ddim yn meddwl fel fel cranc crab, ond y cranc, y lever.
Yoo-hoo, Mr. Tentacle Guy.
Yeah.
It's about time.
Felly nawr.
Yoo-hoo, Mr. Tentacle Guy.
What?
So.
Ooh, I don't feel so good.
Again?
Again? Yeah. Oh yeah. Trwy fan hyn. Fyny'r lle tân. Fel bod hwnna ddim... Tiad, mor hawdd I wneud o fe. Gosh. Right. Defnyddio'r cranc. Ar y cranc bob. Defnyddio fe. A nawr mae 'da fi gwisg ar gyfer y sioe. So, ydw I yn gwisgo
Too many people watching here.
Okay. Mynd mewn fan hyn te. A gwisgo. A nawr dylen ni gallu...
Hello, I'm a tentacle. I'd like to enter my insignificant human in the show.
Oh my, yes, of course. Take these tags and put them on your human and have them wait on the bench in the lobby. Entrance will be judged in 3 categories. Best smile, best hair, and best laugh.
Thank you, fellow tentacle. Unlike humans, you have been very useful.
Oh, thank you. Believe me, it was my pleasure.
Now all I need is a human.
Yowza! That was one good-looking tentacle.
Oh god. Felly nawr... Ti angen rhywsut cael un o rain I fod...
Hi.
Okay, so nhw'n neud lot. Beth so fi'n gallu perswadio Harold.
How's it hanging, Harold?
I'm sure I don't know.
Well then, good luck.
Who needs luck when you've got beauty?
Fi'n siarad gyda...
Be seeing you.
Yes, perhaps I can regale you with tales of my adventures.
Hi, I'm Laverne.
Laverne, eh? Curious name for a tentacle, I must say. Are you here for the show?
Haha.
Yes, that's right.
Well, good luck to you then. There are some jolly good prizes to be
Jolly.
won. Why, the grand prize is a dinner for 2 at Club Tentacle.
Nice clock.
Yes, it's a valuable antique. I'd like to show it to you, but I'm presently charged with the task of guarding it. No one will get near it while I'm here.
Couldn't I please touch the clock?
Sorry, no. No one touches the clock while I'm on duty.
Aren't you curious about what's inside the clock?
Not really. Guarding it is more or less the same, no matter what's inside.
Has anyone ever escaped from this place?
Some try once in a while, but I always fetch them back. That's my primary duty here, and I take it very seriously. I always get my man, no matter how long
O, falle fi angen mynd nôl i'r carchar I pigo un o'r Edisons mwyn mynychu'r
Grub and maggot salad?
Good heavens!
Well, be seeing you.
Yes, perhaps I could regale you with further tales of my tracking expertise.
Sy'n byd fanna? Felly mynd... Dwi'n mynd nôl i'r kennel falle. O, fanna. Kennel. I dewis person.
Say, cutie, what brings a hot tentacle babe like you to a dump like this?
Looking for a pet.
I'm looking for a pet.
Sorry, honey, you came to the wrong place. These three are problem humans. Untrainable, disobedient, downright surly.
He's just jealous because we've got opposable thumbs.
Someday you will accept tentacles as your masters.
Huh, you losers can't even ride tricycles.
See why no one wants them as pets?
I'm here to see you, big boy.
Really? Well, what are you doing for dinner? How about Club Tentacle? Oh, what am I saying? I can't afford to take out the trash, let alone a classy babe like you.
Don't you recognize me?
No, Hey, aren't you the waitress from Club Tentacle? I love that place. I'd be there right now if I weren't flat broke.
I'm looking for
Pam
a
dwi ddim yn
pet.
gael fi dy...
I told you, you don't want these humans as pets.
And I don't want to be no pet, so yeah.
I'm here by accident. Bye.
Hey, I don't want to be here either.
Oh. Oh, so ti'n methu siarad gyda nhw? Yeah, mae'r flag wnaeth y menu na gwynio o'r amser y boi mawr yna. Kennel. Drws. Dwi angen pet yn ifal anwes sydd yn ddyn. Just check it. But pam wedi rhoi hwnna lawr? Yeah, dyna ni. So...
When's the show going to start, my inhuman comrade?
Just as soon as we get enough humans in the lobby with their tags on.
Gyda tagiau ymlaen, felly... Beth yw'r tagiau yma? Achos ni methu mynd draw. Bai ni gallu gwylio rhywbeth fan hyn?
That's where they're having the human show.
Okay, gwell fi cymryd y crank nhw, just rhaid gofyn bod y pobl eraill angen e rhywbryd. So, yeah. Mae'n gwisgo gwisg I edrych fel Tentacle, ond mae angen cael person fel bod dynol mwyn gallu mynychu'r sioe. Does dim byd fyna o werth. Seiclo, oes gen I ddim byd. Name tag. Oh, okay. Okay. So, beth sy'n angen te? Rhywsut, rhoi name tag. Mae ddim yn gadael fi. Ond mae hwn yn poen.
I wouldn't want to waste it. How's it going, Mr. Tentacle Guy?
Oh, same as ever. I'm broke, hate my job, etc.
Right, mae e ddim yn hapus I roi
I'm looking for a pet.
a ni fel
I told
anwes.
you don't want these humans as pets.
Ah, your mama.
I'm looking for a pet.
I told you don't want these humans as
Told
pets.
you.
Yeah, well, I got your pet right here, buddy.
I'm here by accident.
Right, gael fi mynd then.
Bye.
Hey, I don't want to be here either.
Does dim ffordd o fi... Na, mae jyst yn mynd I... O, ydw i'n gallu defnyddio'r switch?
Get away from that. That's my job.
Dyna ni. Os dwi'n rhoi'r tag yma I Harold.
I think he's spoken for.
You better believe it.
Come on. Beth am...
I think they're spoken for.
O na! Okay, felly, be fi'n mynd I wneud? Trio mynd allan a gweld os oes unrhyw beth tu allan. Siwr oedd yna O! O, ydw i'n gallu rhoi hwn ar y gar?
Can't get close to him.
O, fi angen y blimin... fi angen y... whatchamacallit,
I'm too big to fit through.
Okay, nawr fi'n gwybod beth sy'n angen. Dwi angen boi yna I roi y llygodyn, y tegan llygodyn. Oh my gosh, mae lot o nôl ymlaen dy hwn. Bydd yn werth yn y diwedd, ond...
The design's solid, but I need some waterproof material, like cast iron or something.
Okay. Lawr y grisiau. Mas tu fas. I'r Crana John. Fel mae'r boi yma'n siarad. Felly Crana John. Rhoi hwnna fyna. Mynd nôl I hi. Pigo fyny hwnna. Defnyddio'r...
Yum yum. Scrumptious vermin. It's as if he'd rather scratch himself than play with this adorable rodent. Can't get close to him. I think not. I wouldn't want to waste it.
Can't
can't get close to him.
Mae'n gwastraff amser.
I think not. I think not.
Beth yw'n mynd i wneud? Beth ydy e'n gallu wneud gyda'r scalpel?
You're brilliant. What a novel design. Come to Baltimore at once.
Fi'n rhoi hwnna fan'na. Pwy? Baltimore. Falle. Na. Beth sydd 'da fi sy'n mynd i helpu? So, y scenario yw, mae'r merch yma angen rhoi tag ar un o'r pobl yma.
That might get a rise out of them. That might get a rise out of them, but I don't want to attract too much attention. I wouldn't want to waste it.
So ie, mae angen I hi cael person I wedyn mynychu'r cystadleuaeth neu sioe pobl. Mae fe angen dad gwneud sydd I rapio fyny gyda tap coch. Beth mae fe angen neud? Actually, ni'n cael look ar beth yw syniad ar gyfer fe.
Yo, Tom.
Thomas.
So, how's the time capsule going?
Very well. Now that you've provided that fine recent vintage wine, I plan to bury it this evening.
How goes the framing of the Constitution?
Not so well. We're not sure if we should guarantee the right to bear arms, or if it will generate too many atrocious puns. I sure hope someone gives us a useful suggestion soon.
How can you let Hancock suffer like that?
A real man is warmed by the fires of his spirit. You should listen to Washington relate his experiences at Valley Forge and take heed.
Well, later, dude.
What? What's going to happen later?
Right.
Yo.
Please, let me suffer in peace.
So, fan hyn, fi ddim quite fi'n credu y syniad yw rhaid bod e'n rhywbeth I wneud gyda'r...
Excuse me.
O, y boi yna sydd yn inventor.
I think it's freezing in here, don't you?
Freezing? For sure.
Dim mewn fan hyn. lan y siwmne. Right. So, mae'r cath yna fi wedi cael Laverne. Laverne. Yw e'n fe? Okay. So, o beth fi'n gallu darllen fan hyn? Dun, 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 dun. Beth yw hwn?
This 400-year-old clock is an amusing example of primitive human timekeeping. So, mae'n dweud... Right, beth yw'r holl pethau yma? Cyclotron, green hole, monitor. Ble mae'r... Question mark, ble mae'r time capsule? Sut gallu ffeindio hwnna? Falle fyny'r grisiau... Llan fan hyn. Na, nhw jyst yn ffenestri. Laverne yw hi. Felly, y can opener gyda ni. Be mi'n neud? Can opener yn dweud... Ble mae'r time capsule? Mae cloc yma.
Sorry, I'm under strict orders from Tentacle number 1, the almighty elder, the grand poobah, Purple Tentacle, not to let anyone near this clock.
O, maen nhw'n ffain, achos fi'n gallu mynd heibio fe. Okay. Maen nhw'n neud synnwyr. Right, so fi'n gallu cerdded heibio boi yma.
I'm glued to this spot.
Rats. You heard the man. Escape!
You're talking to the wrong people. We like it here. We're celebrities.
Okay, so fi'n gallu mynd lan y grisiau nawr.
Stupid tentacle.
ni'n agor hwn.
It's already open.
Okay.
Looks like there's some kind of rope.
Oh, time capsule.
In commemoration of the Constitutional Convention, interred by Thomas Jefferson AD 1790. Run over by a plow AD 1795.
Achos dros
Sorry
amser,
about the dents.
mae gwin yn troi'n vinegar. Okay, so os ni agor hyn, cael yr beth sy'n nawr yn vinegar, mynd actually beth sy'n yn ystafell arall. Oh, beth sy'n digwydd yma?
No time to relax. I'm trying to save the world. Not my style.
Lava lamp though, fi'n caru lava lamps.
Groovy. No way, those things are
Alright, roller
dangerous.
skates. Wee. Right, dyna ni. Even hyn.
Great Scott! You're purple.
Yes?
Well, don't you just look good enough to eat?
What's that supposed to mean? You're not a human sympathizer, are you?
Me? No way.
Good. You had me worried. You know, I'm working on a way to get rid of the humans once and for all.
Uh-oh.
So, what are you plotting?
I'm building a shrinking ray, which I can use to shrink those pesky humans out of my sight for good.
Tell me more about this shrinking ray of yours.
I call it the diminuator. The biggest problem left is to design a trigger that doesn't require fingers.
Oh.
Say, you look kind of familiar.
Of course I do, nitwit. I'm Purple Tentacle, renowned world conqueror.
Are you the same Purple Tentacle who knew Dr. Fred?
Up on your ancient history, are you? Yes, I remember that insignificant insect.
If you'll excuse me, I've got something in the oven.
Anyone I know, eh? My secret weapon is almost ready.
According to these, the tentacles control most of the world already.
A ble mae Diw ar y map yna? Hwna'n cwestiwn da, dwi ddim yn bodoli. Wel, falle bit yna yw e. I wneud. O na. So fe fanna. Chos mae... Wel, mae Americas yma. Un o daleithiau De America, Mexico. Wedyn mae Frank... Yeah. Ti'n iawn, so fe'n edrych fel... mae fe'r goll. Falle mae hwn rhan o'r gêm. Siwmai, Steffan. Sut mae beth yn mynd? Right. Mae fi atgoffa... Mae fi cofio, sorry. Da, diolch.
I can't.
Oh, good.
It's behind the glass.
Oh.
I can't.
Okay.
It's behind the glass.
Beth sydd 'da fi? Na, dim byd. Right. So... Nawr na I mynd I... Roi'r vinegar i'r boi tew. Hoagie. A... wedyn... Bydd e'n gallu creu batri wedyn. Achos... Oh, actually... Mae dy fe... O, yr unig peth sydd ddim dy fe yw'r air. So, swapio I fe... Mae'n lawr fan hyn. A... mynd nôl i'r Chronojon. So dyna yw'r lle sydd yn cysylltu'r tri cymeriad. A bach o fel time portal peth. So ni allu rannu eitemau dros y tri oes gwahanol. So, os dwi'n mynd... Na. Actually, fi angen roi e fyna. Dwi wedi roi e fyna eto? Ie, fi wedi roi e fyna. So,
It's unplugged.
Vinegar. So fi'n gallu mynd nôl mewn fan hyn nawr. Cael y vinegar. Felly... roi e i'r Dr. Fred.
Excellent. I need that for my super battery.
Okay. Beth sydd dyn ni fan hyn? Llythyr. So mae dyn ni'r vinegar, rolew, just yr air ar ôl nawr. Okay. I'm quite yn siŵr sut ni'n cael e off y sweater. A fi ddim yn siŵr pam byddwn ni angen sweater eto. Ond...
Poor me. Poor me. Hi, please. I'm too depressed.
Isel iawn. Fi'n trio pethau.
That's a stupid thing to do with a perfectly good set of chat. I'd rather not. Hey, there's a letter here for you.
For me? Probably another rejection slip. Oh well. You're brilliant. What a novel design.
Oh.
Come to Baltimore at once.
Whee! Hooray! Felly... beth arall sy'n mewn fan hyn werth cael?
Couch Potato Shopping Channel.
Oh no, so hwn yn mynd I gweithio.
I want to buy a diamond.
That will be $2 million. Do you have a major credit card?
I have a numbered Swiss
What's the number, sir?
It's 846-427-35327.
Indeed.
I'm sorry, the Credotron shows that account to be empty.
Oh, nah. Oh, dear.
It's pretty small.
That's right, an incredible 4,000 carat diamond for the
piddling
sum of $2 million. That number again, 1-800-STAR Wars. Wanda will be standing by to take your call.
Right. Felly, dwi'n credu nawr mae dy fi y bang flag gun thing yna. Pan mae'r person sy'n gwerthu stuff yn siarad â fi, Byddai swapio. So mae'n gwn fanna. Dwi'n swapio rhain. So fe'n mynd i gallu neud spotter from hyn.
It's the second coolest pocket protector I've ever seen.
Huh? I don't see anything.
Oh, never mind.
Right.
Hi there.
What can I do for you, kid?
Nice cigars.
I roll them myself. So, want another cigar?
Go on, te.
Okay, but only if you promise not to light it this time.
Would I do a thing like that?
Aha!
Get lost, kid.
Right. Nawr mae dyn ni hwnna. Mae gyda ni stuff i rannu. Explosives. Oh. Mae un o'r pobl hogi yn amser hogi yn yfed cigar, yn ysmygu cigar. Felly, os ni'n gallu rhoi stuff i fe. So... falle dim ond un ar y tro te. Ydy? Yeah, okay. So, awn ni nôl i'r Chronojon. Pigo fyny y stuff. Beth arall wneud ni roi fe? Exploding cigar.
There's something in there. I'm surprised they ever got out of there.
Pigo hwnna fyny. Swapio Chattering Teeth. Swapio nôl i fe. Oops, pigo for funny. So mae'r 3 item yna. Nawr y guy sy'n smug yna ser bwys y ffenest. Dwi'n neud I fe edrych yn silly. Oh, mewn fan hyn. Felly, nid John Hancock, nid Thomas Jefferson, ond George Washington. So...
Excuse me. Yes?
Yeah.
Mr. President, may I offer you an excellent smug? Can you also provide me with a light? Sure. Well, in that case... Blast, I hate it when that happens. See if you can't find those for me, will you? There's a good lad.
Oh, so nhw wedi diflannu. Ond mae gyda ni danydd fan hyn.
Could you use these?
Oh my god.
Why, thank you, young man. Strange. I wonder if I should cut down on the coffee.
Hey, Tom, look. The father of our nation is cold. Better build a fire.
You're right. I guess you can have my log.
Me? Why should I build the fire? You build the fire.
I'm bothered by the smoke. You build the fire.
I'm bothered by your attitude. You build the fire.
No, you build the fire, Mr. Penmanship.
You build this
No,
fire.
you build the fire, Lord Lover.
No, you build the fire.
No, you build the fire.
Oh my god, I didn't mean
You big baby.
Right. Pigo fyny hwnna.
I can't go through the fire.
Sut fi'n mynd lan nawr? Os fi methu mynd lan fyna. O! O'n i bai fi'n mynd lan Fi'n mynd siwr. Ie, sut fi'n mynd fyny? Na. O, fi'n mynd lan y grisiau, ydw i? Oh god, pan fi'n meddwl bod silly. Nid just... Dyna'r ffordd cyffredin o mynd fyny unrhyw le. Achos yma, oedd y thing tân. Ti'n gallu mynd ffordd na. Ond nawr... Beth sydd angen yw'r air, a oedd y air ar y pen yna. Felly... Fi'n defnyddio... blanced i gael y mwg i mynd mewn i'r stafell. A nawr... Ie, bydd nhw'n gadael. Felly...
Okay.
Good.
Who was the idiot who started the fire?
The blanket nôl.
No way. It could be on fire by now.
Right. Awn ni lawr. Cael yr pen arian. Ddim arian, air, pen air. Gold quilted, felly. Right, dyna ni. Nawr, felly roi hwnna i'r professor.
It looks pretty clear in here now. Say, did you get the pen on our way out?
No, I
found a blanket blocking the chimney.
Son, do you know anything about a blanket? Didn't the dude next to you have one earlier? Hey, catch you later.
Uh-oh. Dyna'n lwcus. Right. Lawr fan hyn nawr. A roi'r trydydd peth i Red Edison.
Ah, the final element for my ingenious battery. Stand back, boy. Give me room to work.
Sut mae pethau anyway, Steph? Sut mae gwaith, sut mae bywyd? Oh, wow. Battery yma. Woo! Yay!
A miracle of modern science. It will look lovely here on the shelf until I take it with me to Baltimore.
Don't look now, but the British are coming, dude.
Eh? Where? Is that supposed to be funny? I'm very busy.
Okay, nawr mae'r battery gyda ni. Ni'n gallu... Oh, pwynt yw, pwy cario floppy disk pryd mae'n safio? Yeah, fi'n gwybod. Oh gosh. Mae'n wych. Right, a plug. Bydd battery o'r plug ddim yn neud lot o synwyr.
Need to get it charged first.
Cael teimlad bod rhaid roi...
Flush, my one chance of getting out of here? Yeah.
Okay, so ni ddim fod yn neud hwnna. Nawr be'n ni'n neud gyda'r... I'm not quite sure nawr. So mae gyda ni battery. Ni'n mynd i neud... Yeah, fi'n gwybod. Oedd hwnna'n nuts oedd e. Yeah. Oedd e hen floppy things oedd yn dweud. Yeah, oedd nhw'n eitha special fi'n credu. Fi'n siŵr daw cyfle rhywbryd i gallu... Oedd da fi fel portable USB floppy thing. A oedd hwnna'n cool. Ond yeah... Cwpl o gemau diddorol da fi ar floppy disk, actually. Right. Fi'n quite... So, mae gyda ni'r... Gyda ni... y battery, ond so ni'n gallu defnyddio fe eto. So... Credu a fi lawr Crona John. Right, credu mae yna cwpl o stuff I roi I bobl. Fig bath. Ma... Okay. Nôl fan hyn. Fork. Pigo fan... Oh, na. Right. Pigo fan i'r fork. No. Right, fi'n credu o ran y boi mawr. Hoagie. Oh. Ni roi'r spaghetti. Red soggy noodles. So ma spaghetti wedi troi noodles. Ni angen person
I'm sorry,
I fod yn y
but
cystadleuaeth,
no one
right?
gets to this clock while I'm here. And unless I have to go chase down some escaped humans, I'm glued to this spot.
Rats.
Rats. O'n i di cael hwnna?
Someone
Nah.
seems to have bolted it to the table. Hello, my silent gauze-wrapped friend. I've got to get power to my
O,
chronojob.
mae mummies ddim yn siarad, so mae hwnna'n gwastraff amser.
Oh well. I really should go
O,
now.
mae wedi gwisgo
Call me
fyny.
sometime, okay?
Ie, beth os ni'n cael fel y person o'r tag.
You're ready to go now.
Cool. A wedyn gweithio. O, yay.
Well, that's the spirit. Everyone's raring to go. Let's get this show on the road.
Ah, here it comes, my finest hour.
Right, so nawr... Ni'n siarad gyda'r boi yma.
Nice outfit.
Don't bother. You'll just get beat like the rest of them.
Okay.
And so I said to her, that's not my suction cup. You think that's fun? Listen to this.
Okay, sut ni'n gallu neud yn edrych yn fwy fel person.
That would get us disqualified.
Okay. Gwallt.
No, I might get sauce on it. Hey, when are you guys going to judge best hair?
Oh, all right.
Dwi'n dilyn mi? Oh, okay.
Harold's got some amazing hair.
The Mummies has improved.
Yes, but it's dull, flat, stringy, lacks body and control, whereas Harold's flows and bounces with every subtle turn of his head.
Yes, Harold wins. If only the Mummies was a little bit better.
Agreed.
Sit. Right. So, hanging gwella'r gwallt.
No, I might get sauce on it. No, I might get sauce on it.
Okay. Cribo fe. Fel Ariel yn Little Mermaid. Oh, mae'n gross. Okay. Siarad.
Hey, don't you think you should judge best hair again?
Oh, all right.
Wow, for a mummy, that's some great-looking hair.
Yes, it has a certain meatiness.
But does it have stars and lightning bolts? No, Harold is still the best.
But if Harold were to say, drop dead, I'd give first place to the Mummy.
Oh, nice. So sut ni'n mynd i... Right, angen effeithio Harold. Sabotage o Harold, fi'n credu. Right, llygoden.
I think not.
Alright, fforcio.
I can win this contest without cheating. Oh, Harold, that's gross.
Oh, God.
What are you babbling about?
You really should have told the judges if you weren't feeling well.
Oh, ick! Now, how did that mess get in there? I think I'm going to be sick.
Oh. Someone in here not feeling well?
I was feeling fine until I saw that.
Uh-oh.
Is that your regurgitation?
Oh, Adriano
No,
Harold.
I'm an healthy human.
Didn't you just say you thought you were going to be sick? That's just a figure of speech. Do you realize you could have infected the whole show with human influenza? But I just got all my shots. You're a good-looking human, Harold, but you know the rules. You're out of the show.
Oh.
What a mess. I hate cleaning up after humans.
Okay, nawr. Byddwn ni gallu ennill. Achos mae'r...
Hey, don't you think you should judge best hair again?
Oh, all right.
Wow, that's the best hair I've ever seen on a mummy. Thick and full.
And juicy.
The mummy wins. Agree.
Woohoo! So beth yw'r categori nesa? Best smile.
Keep up the good work, you
Right,
judges,
mae mummy yna ddim
you.
gyda fe, so be ni'n mynd i wneud gyda'r hwnna yw... Oedd y ceffyl gyda danydd. Nice. So, os nôl i'r Crona John textbook yn y tŷ bach, cael fe i pigo fe fyny, a wedyn ni angen ffeindio'r ceffyl na nawr. Yn siŵr oedd na bit ceffyl, a oedd y ceffyl gyda danydd really dda, danydd gosod. Felly... ni'n mynd fyny fan hyn. Reit i fyny at y ceffyl. Haha. Defnyddio siarad dy fe.
The LALR compiler is constructed by the following method. First, develop a rigorous elective grammar. If the elements have NP completeness, the crunchy factor can be ignored. Blah, 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 blah. Whoa.
Right. Nawr dyna'r bit y gwen gorau. Shwmae, Douglas Adams. Hei, mae pobl yma'n siarad fel ti ac yn ti, Douglas. Mae Hoagie yn. Oh, Douglas. Okay, so... Mae'n siarad fel ni. Na, actually, ti ddim yn siarad fel na, ond... Yeah. Right. Anyway, sut mae pethau'n mynd, Douglas? Douglas Adams. Ah. Right. Os dwi'n swapio nôl i hi a mynd i nôl y danydd, achos dyw'r mummy yna ddim gyda danydd. So ni'n mynd i defnyddio y danydd hyfryd y ceffyl i ennill y cystadleuaeth, gobeithio. So... angen mynd mas tu allan a... Sa'n siŵr be fi ti'n neud gyda'r cath yna? Pigo fyny dentures. Mynd nôl. A... o welys ti Actually, bawb, oedd unrhyw un wedi gweld bod Cymru wedi ennill cwpan y byd dartiau ddoe. Yn ffantastig. Mae Gerwyn Price, mae fe o pentre agos i lle dwi'n byw yn Markham. Felly, mae'n falch iawn i'w weld e. A Johnny Clayton o Pontyberem yn ennill cwpan y byd dartiau. Yeah. Yeah. Felly nawr mae gyda... O, edrych ar y danydd yna. Wow.
Hey, when are you guys going to judge best smile?
Oh, all right.
Come on.
I like the quiet one with the
Hooray!
big teeth. There's nothing in the rules about them being white.
First place goes to the mummy.
Agreed.
Right, beth sy'n nesa? Best laugh. Right, fi'n gwybod oedd y convention
Keep
yna
up the good work, you
o'r
judges,
pranksters. Just gaf fi edrych. Credu taw fe. Oedd gyda fe. Gyda'r clown, rhaid bod hwnna'n rhywbeth i wneud gyda fe. Achos nes i trio scalpel gyda'r gwm cnoi, oedd e ddim yn gael fi wneud e. Ie, nawr mae... Actually... Ooh! 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 Hwnna'n chwerthin thing.
It's bad enough to carry the weight of his death.
Okay. So, dwi'n mynd lawr I fan hyn. Achos y best laugh, mae'r ha na bound o ennill. Ha. Swapio nôl I hi. Pwy sy'n cofio Ren and Stimpy fel cartoon? Oedd hwnna mor tywyll a messed up oedd e. O'n i'n joio gwylio hwnna pan o'n i'n fy 10au. Oh. Yeah, o'n nhw'n weird though, ond yeah. Okay, ti fath? Oh, wedyn. Sorry, pal. You're bleeding off. Box of laughs. Awn ni nawr nôl. Right. Box of laughs. Okay. Na'r gweld beth mae'n dweud.
Hey, when are you guys going to judge best laugh?
Oh, all right.
Okay, who's got a joke?
Hey, I just flew in from Baltimore, and boy are my suction cups tired.
A classic. It's amazing how the mummy can do that without moving his lips.
I say we give him first place.
Agreed.
Well, that makes him best of show.
Let's go congratulate him.
Sut fi'n mynd i?
He is very well preserved.
I'll miss his laugh.
It's time to give him his winnings and start packing up. We gotta get this whole show to Baltimore by Thursday.
Oh.
Yes, our work here is done.
Baltimore. Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Right, beth nawr though? Okay. Ah! Pam mae jyst yn ailadrodd Uh-oh, paid dweud bod e wedi glitcho. Be sy'n digwydd? Oh na. Right, gwell i fi safio fe. Ti'n gael fi safio fe? Ond mae ddim, achos mae'n nghanol... O, paid dweud bod e... Ti torri. Oh,
well, Ted, this is where we part ways. You've certainly helped save humanity. Even though you've been dead for thousands of years, I think you're my favorite Edison.
Oh. Felly... Na, ddim fan hyn.
He was scratching his back on the fence, I think.
Ys ni'n cael gwared o'r twll falle. Boo boo, be gone.
It's a bottle of correctional fluid.
Okay. Fel tip X byddwn ni'n dweud. So, pigo hwnna fyny. Oh. Lli roi ar ffens. Sgoi fe dod nôl.
This ought to be good.
So, nawr mae di symud I ffwrdd. Ti defnyddio'r llygoden. Bod yn ffrindiau.
Well, what do we have here?
Aha.
Looks like a prosthetic rodent.
Rodent.
Another
Hooray.
specimen.
Yay!
I'm sorry, but no one gets to this clock while I'm here. And unless I have to go chase down some escaped humans, I'm glued to this spot.
Rats.
Right, fi di ennill?
No, this has to be special.
Pwy fi'n rhoi un o'r pobol yna?
Whoa! Dinner for two at Club Tentacle? I can't wait to tell my wife.
So, let's switch off.
You're free.
Free to do what?
Free to run wild through the woods like humans should.
Big deal.
I said you're free. Now get off your fat, lazy butts and start enjoying it.
Enjoy being hunted for the rest of our lives by that mustached old tentacle with a big net? If we ran off, he'd be right on our trail. If we stay here, we know we'll be warm and comfortable. Outside, we'd be eating bugs and moss.
You'll be eating my fist in a second.
The woods are filled with wild animals, lions, tigers, and skunks. Man, I hate skunks.
Skunks. Aha. Mae cath yn edrych fel skunk. Yay.
Hey, look, a skunk.
Come back here, you mangy human!
Oh, no.
You can't do this! This is an escape-proof facility!
Oh.
Who says you can't learn anything from cartoons, eh, kitty?
Ydw I angen hi fenno hi... Beth
I
bynnag y
think
cath
I've
nhw.
had enough fun
Okay.
with Mr. Kitty.
So nawr mae... Nawr mae fe di diflannu. O, oes rhywbeth fan hyn na? Na. Cennol drws. Mae fe di redeg ar ôl yr Edisons. So amser mynd lawr fan hyn. Oh. Hold it though.
It's beyond repair.
Right, beth sydd fan hyn te?
Hello, mice.
Na.
It's the same generator that was in Dr. Fred's lab.
Be fod wneud fan hyn, though?
Probably just the tentacles winter... I think not.
Oh. Oh ho ho. Oh ho ho. Sy'n rhoi hwnna. A wedyn... Ah, down. Bendant, dwi angen rhoi hwnna fan'na. Ond eto, dwi angen rhoi yr ochr arall trwy ffenest. Plygio mewn y generadur. Dyna ni. Gyda hwnna. A nawr... Dwi'n gallu neud...
I don't think I can do that.
O na. Mae dal angen y crisial arno ni. A fi lawr jyst i gweld beth mae'r logic yn dweud. So mae hwnna wedi cysylltu nawr.
It's the same generator that was in Dr. Fred's lab.
Yeah. Gosh. Beth ni'n neud gyda'r troffi yma ddo? Fi'n credu fi'n mynd i gadle fyna am heddiw. Achos, ni wedi neud lot well with heddiw. A nawn ni ddod nôl at gyda fwy o Day the Tentacle fory. Fory. Felly, credu byddai'n good i gallu... Na i wneud 5 munud arall te, actually. Felly... right. Swapio nawr. Beth sy'n dyfu fan hyn? Fi angen IRS sydd yn stopio Ted fan hyn. So awn ni lan lle tân. Ydw i'n gallu...
No, not right now.
Hwna. O, na. Falle fi'n clymu fe i'r sain. Yr arwydd yna. Na?
No, not right now. Welcome Novelty Goods Convention. What for? What for?
Na.
What for?
Okay, fi methu wneud hwnna te. Rhaid bod fi'n wneud rhywbeth fan hyn. O! Na. Tu allan mae raff. So dwi... defnyddio hwnna gyda Ted. A... nawr mynd nôl a tynnu'r raff. Sef fyny fan hyn. Lan at... tynnu'r raff nawr. Okay. Oh god. Mae'n mummy, pipeline I pawb. Ah, swapio nhw. Ha 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 ha. Dwi'n gallu tynnu hwn?
I don't think that will do much good from here.
Bum. O, na. Fi angen mynd fyny, sef lan y lle tân. Trwy fan hyn. A swapio. O, na. Ble mae'r paint? Oedd dy fi paint. O, dam. Fi di roi'r paint I rhywun arall, fi'n credu. Oh, dear. Fi roi hoagie. Pam bydd angen paint? Fi ddim yn gwybod. Okay, so... angen mynd nôl. Pigo fyny. Paint a swapio nhw. O, na. Mae yn y basement yn dwi. Dyna y lle cynta. Nawr, gallu peintio'r boi yna fel Ed. A... ie. Swapio'r cyrff. Felly nawr ni'n gallu peintio Ted. Swapio hwnna.
Uh-oh.
Hey. What are you doing down there? There's no escape from the IRS.
Okay. So, right, swapio Ted gyda Dr. Fred. Neu Ed, beth fanny. Right, no. Wow. Oh, gosh.
Thought I heard something. Everything okay in there? Well, try and keep it down, okay?
Right, nawr dwi'n gallu rhoi'r raff ar Dr. Fred. Dwi'n gallu taflu Dr. Fred?
I don't think I can do that.
Neu...
I can't carry him.
Okay, mae'n rhaid fi tynnu'r cortyn te. Dwi'n methu neud o fan hyn. Oh, yeah, fi'n gallu.
I'm not going to make that mistake again.
Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Pen tossed it all on I. Wow.
Dr. Fred, are you okay? Dr. Fred? I'd better get him to the lab. Well, I got him in here, but he's out cold.
Be sy'n deffro pobl yn y bore? Coffee.
It will spill all over.
Coffee. No, ddim decaf. So no. Dod o fe nôl yn fyw gyda coffi. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Damn good coffee.
Right, nawr dwi'n gallu cael ei rwyddo'r cytundeb. A dylen ni cael yr arian.
Sorry, I don't like to sign things that I haven't read.
Okay, so read it first.
I'm busy trying to think of a way to save humanity. I don't have time to read. Now leave me alone.
Okay. Fi'n mynd I gael efo am heddiw. Ni'n meddwl sut ni'n mynd I cael Dr. Fred I arwyddo'r cytundeb rhywbryd arall. Ond gawn ni safio fe te a gweld beth 70% ni di neidio o 33 I 70. Yeah, okay. So, nes I ffeindio mas am y chronojon a I rannu fe. So, dwi ddim fel nes I ffigro hwnna mas fy hun. Ond, ie, fi'n eitha hapus gyda hwnna. Falle sesiwn nesaf bydd y sesiwn olaf o... A gobeithio bydd ni'n gorffen e. So, ie, diolch Steffan, Douglas Adams, Emrys, pawb arall sydd wedi bod yn rhan... dod draw I gwylio stream heddiw, a bod yn rhan o'r stream. A byddwn ni'n gweld chi fori am 1:00. Felly, ie. Joio gweddill y diwrnod, a gobeithio mae popeth yn okay gyda chi, a gweld chi cyn bo hir. Right, pob hwyl, ta-ra, ta-ra. Ba, ba, ba.